Hi everyone, it's Dylan Dworsky, aka the Hockey Realtor, and I have Newark Homes and Living on Facebook, and also my new handle on Instagram is at Sell Newark DE. And today's topic that I came up with was I figured I'd come up with 5 tips for making your best offer on a house. So let's go right into it. I want to talk about something first, though. In today's seller's market, standing out as a buyer is critical. Multi offer scenarios and bidding wars are becoming the norm due to the low supply of houses for sale and high buyer demand. If you're buying this fall or winter, you'll want every advantage you can get, especially when you've found the home of your dreams. So, I wanted to go over 5 tips that you can keep in mind when making an offer. So, here we go. Number one would be know your budget. So, basically, knowing your budget and what you can afford is critical to your success as a home buyer. The best way to understand your numbers is to work with a lender so you can get pre-approved for a loan or a mortgage, if you want to call it that. Then that will set you up so when you go showing sellers, it basically shows sellers that you're serious and can give you a competitive edge. It enables you to act quickly when you've found your perfect home as well. Number two would be prepared to move fast. The reason I put that one down was because this is a stat from the National Association of Realtors, NAR. The average home is on the market for just 17 days right now. And as the report noted, 89% of homes sold in July 2021 were on the market for less than a month. That's insane, isn't it? Um, I can share a quick example that I just had a house sell for within a day and a half. So that's the quickest I've ever sold a house. I didn't even get a chance to get it up on the MLS and it sold. So um, it happens, you know. When homes are selling fast, staying on top of the market and moving quickly are key. After you've worked with your agent to find the home that suits your needs, they'll help you put together and submit your best offer as soon as possible, which is usually within the next couple days. Um, at least for me, at least that's how I do it. Number three is a real estate professional can lead you to victory. I said that because no matter what the housing market looks like, rely on a trusted real estate advisor or agent like myself. As Freddie Mac says, the success of your home buying journey largely depends on the company you keep. Be sure to select experienced, trusted professionals who will help you make informed decisions and avoid any pitfalls. I thought that was a great quote. That's why I quoted it to you. Um, it what was it? It may seem simple, but catering to what a seller may need can help your offer stand out. Number four is craft a strong, fair offer. Well, this is the most important one that I'm going to go over, but in the past, offering at or near the asking price was enough to make your offer appealing to sellers. In today's market, that often is not the case. According to the NAR, 50% of offers are above the list price. That's something to think about too. In such a competitive market, emotions and prices tend to run high. So, having an agent to help craft a strong, fair offer is critical in these situations. Your agent can help you understand the market value of the home, recent sales trends in the area, current buyer demand, etc., and so on and so forth. Number five is understand the seller's needs, but resist waiving certain contingencies. Now, resisting waiving certain contingencies is very important, and I'll get into them as I'm talking. When crafting an offer, you'll want to keep both your best interest and the interest of the seller in mind. Because if you can cater the offer kind of to this is what I do. You try to cater the offer to make the seller go, ooh, yeah, I like that, But your trusted real estate agent will help you consider which levers you could pull, including contract contingencies, which contingencies are conditions you set that the seller must meet for the purchase to be finalized. Of course, there are certain contingencies you don't want to give up. The number one that pops to my head, for example, is home inspection. That is by far the most important, not the inspection, the most important contingency to not waive. I believe myself, if you're a buyer or a seller, I believe you should get a home inspection without question. The reason being, I get my buyers that are buying brand new houses to get home inspections on a brand new house because believe it or not, I've had situations where the home inspector goes in a brand new house and he does find things wrong with it. So I suggest even if you're a buyer or a seller, you always get the home inspection. And then lastly, I just want to finish up about home inspections. Without an inspection contingency, you could be stuck with a contract on a house you can't even afford to fix. Now that's a bad situation. But if had you done your due diligence, the problem wouldn't have you wouldn't have had a problem then. And had the real estate agent advised you properly, you probably wouldn't have had a problem. But that's it. Thank you for listening to me today. And if you do need a real estate agent slash realtor, please give me a call at 302-388-6402. Thank you and have a great day.